family. We've made it here to the Penguin Hotel. We're going to do a room tour of this hotel in Miami Beach, Florida, right here on Ocean Drive. So as we start, we have the bed here. I did get one of the ocean front rooms. I wanted to just be able to see the beautiful ocean of Miami. I'm right here on Ocean Drive. There's your TV. Has a big large mirror here. So this would be an ideal room for women. Boy, look at all this mirrors they have here inside of the room. So we'll walk over here. As you can see right here, that's Ocean Drive. Look right here and look at the beautiful ocean, Miami Beach. So this room here is an upgraded room. You have your regular rooms where you don't have this view, and then you have the rooms where you have the ocean views. Just a few dollars more, maybe $20, $25 more than the average room, so it's not that bad. You have the bed. Of course, you have a little drawer space. You're safe, and they have an ice box right here. It's pretty neat. They have the closet here. You can iron your clothes, extra pillows, hang your clothes up, and they have room for your bags and your luggage. So now we're going to head on into the bathroom. Have a simple, modest restroom. Have your shower and enough room and space for you to do and get done what needs to be done. So this right here is the room tour of Penguin Hotel right here on Ocean Drive in Miami Beach, Florida.